Good morning, students. In our last class, we have completed food for domestic animals. Food for domestic animals. So let's revise this much once again. The animals we rear at home or in animals' farms are called domestic animals. The animals we rear at home means we breed at home or in animals' farms are called domestic animals. Animals like cows, horses, donkeys, goats, and dogs are domestic animals. They help us in many ways. Children, as you know, animals are also our friends and they are very useful to us. They provide us food, wool, leather, and many more things. So we should take care of them also. Horses, elephant, camels, donkeys, and oxen carry load for us. Carry load for us. They carry heavy load for us. So they need energy giving food. Cows and buffaloes gives us milk. Cows and buffaloes are also called milk giving animals. So they need food also like leaves, grass, oil seed and oil cake. Hens and ducks gives us eggs. They need protein rich food. They need protein rich food as they gives us eggs. So children, this much we have completed in our last class. Let's continue. How animals feed. Feeding habits of animals depends on the types of food they eat. The structure of the mouth and the teeth depends on the type of food they eat. Feeding habits of animals depends on the type of food they eat. Children, this means the food they are eating, animals are eating, the food depends on it. The structure of the mouth and the teeth depends. So the first basis on the basis of this, the first is your grass eating animals. Let's see. Cows and buffaloes eat grass, leaves and grains. They have flat and broad teeth. These teeth helps them to bite or cut their food. They also have strong grinding teeth at the back. Have you ever noticed cows and buffaloes chewing when there is no food in front of them? Cows and buffaloes swallow their food first without chewing it properly. Later, they bring back the food into the mouth from the stomach and chew it for hours. This is called chewing the cud. Sheep, giraffe, and camels also chew the cud. So, children, you also read this one. See, cows and buffaloes eat grass, leaves, and grain. As you know, cows and buffaloes are herbivorous, means they are eating grass, leaves, and grains. So they have their teeth are flat and broad. They have flat and broad teeth as they are eating grass, leaves, and grains, or they are herbivorous. These teeth help them to bite or cut their food. These broad and flat teeth helps these herbivorous animals to bite or cut their food easily. Then they also have strong grinding teeth at the back. They have strong grinding teeth at the back as we are having grinding teeth in our mouth. So these grass eating animals or herbivorous also having strong grinding teeth at the back. Have you ever noticed, children, cows and buffaloes chewing when there is no food in front of them? Have you ever noticed? Yes. Sometimes you notice that these cows and buffaloes, they are sitting in one place and chewing without if there is no food in front of them. Why they are doing so? Let's see. Cows and buffalo swallow their food first. As we children, as we are when we are eating the food, we bite the food na. But these cows and buffaloes, they are not biting the food. They first swallow the food without chewing or grinding or biting. They first swallow the food without chewing it properly. Then they bring back the food into the mouth. Means this they bring back the food into the mouth from the stomach and then chew it for hours. This is called chewing the cud. This is called chewing the cud. Sheep, giraffe and camels also chew the cud. Also chew the cud. Means sheep and giraffe and camels are also grass eating animals, or they are herbivorous animals. So these sheep, giraffe and camels also chew the cud. So children, from this we comes to know that these grass eating animals have flat and broad teeth. They also have strong grinding teeth at the back. So this is the structure of the teeth of grass eating animals. Next one, animal that gnaw their food. Some animals like rats, rabbit, squirrels eat grains and nuts. They have very sharp front teeth. These teeth helps them to cut and bite nuts and seeds. These animals gnaw, constantly bite or chew the food. Children, animals that gnaw their food. Here, gnaw means constantly bite or chew. Some animals like rats, rabbit, squirrel, they eat grains and nuts. They have very sharp front teeth. Their front teeth is very sharp. And these sharp front teeth help them to cut and bite the nuts and seeds. So these animals have very sharp front teeth to cut and bite nuts and seeds. These animals constantly bite or chew the food. So these rats, rabbits, squirrel, they gnaw their food. Now the next one, animals that suck their food. Animals that suck their food. Animals like butterflies, bees and mosquitoes have a long tube in their mouth. They suck their food with this tube. This tube is called proboscis. It works like a straw. Children, butterfly, bees and mosquito have a long tube in their mouth. You also have noticed when mosquito bites you, then that time mosquito enter their long tube into your body and suck your blood. These animals like butterflies, bees and mosquito, they have long tube like straw. Children, when you are drinking any cold drinks or juices, that times you are using that straw to drink. Like that straw, these butterfly, bees and mosquito have long tube in their mouth to suck their food. And this tube like a straw, this tube is known as proboscis. Now the next one is animals that chew and swallow their food. An elephant has a long muscular trunk. Trunks helps it to pick up the food and push them inside the mouth. The elephant has large grinding teeth to chew and grind its food. It also uses its trunk for drinking water. It sucks water like a straw through the trunk and blows it inside. Children, animals that chew and swallow their food. Elephant has a long muscular trunk. You seen that an elephant has a long trunk, and this trunk of this elephant helps it to pick up the food and push them inside their mouth. Elephant has large grinding teeth, and elephant also have large grinding teeth to chew and grind its food. It also uses its trunk for drinking water. This elephant also uses its trunks for drinking water. It sucks water like a straw. Like a butterfly uses that tube like a straw to suck their food. Now here also elephant, it sucks water like a straw through the trunk and blows it inside. So children, this elephant has large grinding teeth to chew and grind its food, and also has a long muscular trunk for drinking water. So, hope you children, you all understand. In our next class, we will discuss the next one, animals that only swallow their food. Thank you.